Emergencies can strike without warning, via a fire, earthquake, or security threat. In such critical moments, clear and immediate communication is paramount to everyone's safety. Traditional alert systems like text messages or emails have their limitations. Not everyone may have their phone at hand, and visitors might not be registered in your communication systems. This is why digital signage steps in as a vital tool. Digital signage displays are omnipresent, found in hallways, classrooms, lobbies, and even restrooms. They capture attention instantly, making them ideal for broadcasting urgent messages. Whether it's guiding individuals to the nearest exit during a fire or instructing them to seek shelter during a storm, these screens can convey life-saving information promptly. Moreover, digital signage caters to diverse needs. For those with hearing impairments, visual messages are invaluable. Similarly, coupling on-screen text with audio ensures that individuals with visual challenges receive the necessary information. Flexibility is another significant advantage. Emergencies are dynamic, and the ability to tailor messages to specific locations is crucial. For instance, if a particular building wing is affected, alerts can be directed solely to that area, preventing unnecessary panic elsewhere. Preparation is key. Integrating digital signage into regular safety drills ensures that everyone knows what to expect and how to react. Regularly displaying evacuation routes and safety procedures keeps this information fresh in everyone's minds. Beyond emergencies, digital signage proves useful for everyday disruptions. Whether it's informing about transportation delays due to weather or updating on sudden schedule changes, these displays keep everyone informed and prepared. Modern digital signage systems like Yodeck offer remote management capabilities. This means that even if you're off-site, you can update messages in real time using a smartphone or any device that connects to the internet. Whether you're operating a single screen in one building or a network of thousands spread across an entire city, you can push out content updates in real time from any location. All you need is an internet connection. Yodeck is more than just a digital signage solution. It's an intelligent platform designed to adapt and respond in real time. Its smart scheduling, dynamic content capabilities, and seamless integration with data sources like RSS feeds, weather alerts, and emergency systems ensure that information displayed is always current and relevant. In critical situations, this intelligence means that alerts can be triggered automatically, tailored by location and updated instantly, helping to guide people to safety with clarity and speed. By thinking ahead, Yodeck ensures your signage is ready to act in the moment an emergency unfolds. Digital signage is more than just a communication tool. It's an essential component of a comprehensive emergency response strategy. By leveraging its capabilities, organizations can ensure swift, clear, and effective communication when it matters most. Emergencies don't wait, and neither should you. If digital signage isn't a part of your emergency response strategy, then your preparedness plan isn't complete. Now is the time to act. Yodeck makes it easy, affordable, and above all, Yodeck makes it smart. Because in moments of crisis, clear and immediate communication can make all the difference. Sign up today at yodeck.com.